Hey guys, we're doing teams now for the full box spray. Teams are live. Dice roll for participants 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Teams going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. List: Andrew Hunt with the Suns, Andrew Todd with the Bulls, Ben with the Pistons, Tahi with the Pacers, Steve Elliott with Knicks, Tony Dunn Lakers, Ben Howden Raptors, Tahi Johnson Clippers and Wizards, Jeff with Celtics, Dale with Spurs, Stewart with Hawks, Dean Milos Bucks, Tahi Warriors, Akintuchu Cavs, Glenbow Jazz, Harrison Blazers, Van Houten Mavericks, McAshton Kings, Darren Gibbs Pelicans, Andrew Todd Cruz, Vance Anderson Hornets, Blake Sixers, Dale Thunder, Glenbow Nets, Dean Magic, Paul Johnson Nuggets, Dale Wolves, Matty Heat, and DJ Quartermain with the Rockets, and that's it.